Come test drive the 2020 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, traction control, fog lights, rollover protection system, steel wheels, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power steering, bucket seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.